everybody, and welcome to the end of day number 13 here at the Barnhouse renovation. And so this is the end of day number 13. John's actually coming tonight, but we're going to get a full day with him tomorrow. So I haven't been resting on my laurels here as we've been waiting for John to come back. I've actually got a lot of the extra framing done that we need to get done. We've got our wall continued and put all the way up. We've got our knee wall in place here. We've got our dog house, and this is the headroom that we needed in order to get down the stairs without banging our heads. And so we got our dog house in place, and then that's all going to get framed and drywalled. So this is just the rough framing for that right now. And then we had to cut out our plug, and so we had to cut out and make sure everything was all ready, and it was accurately measured out, so that when we do get the stairs in here, we do our kite winder as we get. It's going to be 3 steps up and then 2 steps into the room. Well, we had to make sure that that angle was going to match this angle and everything was going to come out square, particularly with the wall. So we got all of our framing done with the wall. We got all of our 16 inches on stud framing here. So this is going to be all ready for drywall. And yeah, that's what we've been doing. So last we left off was 11. This is 13. Is it a bit odd that we're doing it every 2 days? No, things have been definitely busy here, and I'm trying to get out the videos as fast as possible. Even though 13 is an odd number, that's just coincidence. Yeah, so that's it. Tomorrow's going to definitely show a lot of progress as we get our steps made up tonight. We got to glue and glam those because they are odd size steps, and then we're going to put them in. And then, after all is said and done, we'll finally be able to walk from all the way down and all the way up. And you can see here we actually have put some paper down on the steps. We haven't stained them, we haven't sealed them yet, and so they're wood, and we want to make sure we don't, well, we don't ruin them and scuff them up, since they looked so nice and beautiful there when everything finished up. All right, if you got any questions, please ask. Stairs are definitely require a lot of work, a lot of thinking. But they're a necessity. They're a necessity, and you want to make sure you put them in right. So if you've never done it before, you got to talk to somebody who has. If you do have a question, please leave a comment in the comment section below. This is all coming from my YouTube channel, so if you like what you see and you want to see more, please leave a like, please subscribe, and then, yeah, hopefully we'll be able to get some pictures of John. He's always been a little camera shy, but maybe I'll sneak the GoPro around tomorrow, and we'll see how that's going. So, thanks for checking it out, and yeah, check back soon.